Abueva will glide in. His layup is good.
First field goal made by Calvin Abueva.
Abueva with a rebound. At the other end, Mikey scores the second field goal para sa Converge. Converge starting to get into a groove after that shaky start. Lamang sila ng 6-7-1. Titan nga, mapapahiling ng maagang timeout.
Run, get your confidence up, and then you make extra passes para na ma-develop mo yung fast break and also your mentality of making an extra pass and finishing strong. Back-to-back fast break attacks here.
Getting it done on the run. The steal by Jalen and the completion by NJ. That's an
Given the multiple scoring options available. Balik sa inyo, mag-uwat, Coach Archie.
And that is exactly what they're trying to do. Force a lot of misses, trying to score on the break when the defense is not yet ready. Iba ang level dito sa PBA. Kaya nanibago itong si Mikey Williams. And not only that, ngayon nga, wala na naman itong si Alex Stockton. So, mag-iiba na naman itong laro nitong Fiber Rexers. So,
PBA teams in an import flavored conference o laden conference may dalawang game na back-to-back na pagbibigyan basta maganda yung dahilan na walang import. Pero pagdating ng pangatlo, may multa ka na.
okay.
Pero ang balita din daw niya, lumabas na yata ang clearance. Kaya,
Kala ko bukas maglalaro na eh. Wala naman tayong laro bukas eh. Nagulat ako sa iyo.
back-to-back sila nun.
Yes, that's a very good development para rito sa Titan Ultra. But it is also a situation they're in. So wala silang aasahang import dito. Sila ang gagawa ng paraan para maging competitive kalaban itong Fiber Rexers.
Salmonia with a stop. Converged by 6. You in the front court. The floater is good. Alam mo, this season, ngayon lang din naman talaga pumasok itong Titan as Hudson. Top court yung pagtapos nun. Baltasar with the rebound. Juan and Justin, they involve Concepcion and Juan.
And that is what you like every time you have